Another very cute moment in the show was जब अर्जुन कपूर आए थे, and you see, yeah. I just have to say Arjun Kapoor
Oh
and
my
that's Pamela. What is this Arjun Kapoor love?
Oh, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ?
आपको राम कपूर के बारे में कैसा लगा? How did you find him as a player?
So Ram ji. Oh dear.
So I have to mention this, that your friendship with Chamola was so spoken of, you know. But while everybody has loved it, there's also been a certain section which Apurva represented, and where she made a very nasty comment when she came out and she said that XYZ things. And when you saw that, how did you take it?
Did feel she was very two-faced. I mean, you know, मुंह के सामने और कुछ कहती है, पीठ के पीछे कुछ. For me, if मैं किसी का मजाक भी उड़ाती थी ना, मैं मुंह के सामने करती थी.
But you know, another thing was when Urfi and Hina came in, and you know, I feel जो वहाँ पे चल रहा था, मुझे ऐसा personally लगा, because मुझे नहीं लगता अगर आप इतनी अच्छी पंजाबी बोल सकते हो, तो आप हिंदी बकायदा समझ सकते हो और बोल भी अच्छे से सकते हो. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? What was that like for you?
You know, with Hina and Urfi, I just asked them a question. ये word, what's the meaning of this word? And they digged into me. जैसे bloody hell, I was thinking जैसे मैंने उनका बैंक बैलेंस का पिन कोड मांग लिया.
Hello everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा and full on black and white mood में हूँ मैं आज, because I've got with me the gorgeous Pamela Serena here, who's straight outside the Blockhouse house. Hi. Oh
Hey,
my God.
Hesha, how are you?
Great.
Can I just say you look amazing and you're so beautiful too.
Oh, thank you so much. Listen, I think this is what I was going to say first, but now people might think I'm rigging this, but oh my God, I'm a fan. The minute I've walked in, the first thing I told Pamela was, camera doesn't do justice to how stunning you look, and I'm going to say that all over again. You look all heart and all beautiful and all
Thank you.
great.
I don't know, मेरा मुंह face मुंह में कह रही हूँ बहुत मोटा लग रहा है कैमरे के ऊपर. I don't know why.
I think वो कैमरा का प्रॉब्लम है, वो आपके ऊपर 5 kg और बढ़ा के दिखा रहा है. But
I swear.
You look stunning, I must say, and we're actually black and white, very chessy right now. एक गेम से दूसरे गेम पे हम आ चुके हैं, which is interviews. Oh my God, how is this feeling? This media round and chatting with all the press in India.
I'm enjoying every moment of it. I love it. I love the India press, and I love how passionate everyone is about Lockup. It's been so exciting. The journey's been amazing.
Yeah, you know, I feel what happened with you was that you got 2 great successful shows back to back, Pamela. And I have to give you due credit for this, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने सिर्फ एक शो में परफॉर्म किया और दूसरे शो में नहीं किया. बकायदा दोनों शोज में आप इतने ज़्यादा loved हैं. People have loved you, whether it is, you know, all your cute stuff that you do, or it's the fun games that you played here with the team, in fact, not just Chamola specifically, but you got a lot of love and admiration, and 2 back-to-back Netflix shows, right? Tell me, how has this whole journey been for you? And secondly, did you ever imagine कि like fame ऐसे फटने वाला है आपके साथ?
Well, I did not imagine fame इस तरह के फटने वाला है at all. I'm just super blessed. I think I was one of the only contestants जो previously Netflix किया है. I think everyone's the first time that they've been on the Netflix platform. And can I just say, it's a huge achievement. It's massive. And coming from Desi Bling, which hit #1 in June, and then July when Lockup it hit #1, I'm super blessed. I feel like maybe I'm Netflix lucky charm.
Yeah, totally. I think you're making the right choices, Pamela. Who's like directing these choices for you?
I know. It's fate. Kismet pare cheez ye hai. But I'm just really overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed with everything. I think it's just been from Desi Bling journey to Lockup, and having the whole of India, the audience, the love. Itna pyar. Oh my God, guys.
Oh,
seriously.
See, these are the adas, you know, जिसमें हम बहुत ज़्यादा फिदा है. Pam की adas, oh my God, it's crazy. But you know, I really have to say this to you, Pamela, because it takes a lot for an NRI, so to per se, भले ही आप Indian होंगे, but you're not residing here, to come here and to leave a mark amongst everybody and all generations, you know. So kudos to you for that.
Thank
and huge
you.
congratulations. I mean, how are you processing all of this now that you're outside of the house?
Actually, मुझे थोड़ी सी withdrawal symptoms हो रही हैं.
घर में आपको वापस जाना है.
I'm just like, Lockup became home for 5 weeks. It became home, and I just got eliminated 3 days before the finale. So it's been one of those thoughts and process जहाँ पर I went out, and then I'm just like, hold on a minute, मेरी जो routine है वो miss हो रही है, वो सुबह alarm नहीं बज रहा, वो जो खाना है वो और बाहर का खाना digest ही नहीं हो रहा.
Yeah.
So my body got so used to it. I became a lock-up robot.
Yeah.
So I'm just thinking, hold on a minute. Did I belong there? वो क्या हो रहा है? So ये पूरी withdrawal symptoms हो रही हैं, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा. अभी I need to adapt back into normality.
Yeah.
But for sure, I got used to lock up. 5 weeks is a very long time.
It is.
Day and night, 24 hours. Emotions ऊपर जा रहे थे, नीचे जा रहे थे, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था. But yeah, we had no choice.
लंदन एम्बेसी ने बुला लिया लगता है आपको क्योंकि उसके जितने रील्स कटे हैं मेरे को लगता है शायद आपको भी नहीं पता होगा कि ये हो रहा है.
No, you know, I haven't had time. Just phone तो वापस मिला है, and I had to catch up with work and family, and I haven't watched everything. थोड़ा मैंने देखा है. And it's been I didn't know how funny I was.
You were hilarious. Oh my
I was
God.
like, oh my God, I'm actually really funny.
And everybody is so excited, you know. मुझे आपको ये बता देना चाहिए कि उससे पहले आप जाएं और अपना फोन देखें. There are reels about what Pamela is wearing. Pamela कौन सा makeup product use कर रही
No
है.
way.
Pamela का mascara ये है. तो you know wherever there are shots and you and like Chamola are doing your makeup in the middle, उसके zoom बन रहे हैं. Pamela ये use करती है, and I'm like, oh my God, this is crazy. So I think you're getting a lot of brand endorsements now that you're out of the house.
I'm looking forward to it.
आपकी दुबई से इंडिया ट्रिप बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ने वाली है. मुझे ऐसी feeling आ रही है.
It's lucky that I have my OCI now.
Yes, of course. But speaking about lockup specifically, I mean, मेरे को इतनी सारी चीजें पूछनी है आपसे, and not just because you're sitting here, is because I genuinely related with you on multiple levels, and I'm going to just sort of unfold one by one.
No problem.
You know, first is going to be the fact that no matter how happy and how gracious the woman is, deep down she carries a lot of wounds and pain. And I think the way you owned up your truth was commendable. I think हर एक लड़की ने धोखा एक मर्द से झेला ही झेला है, no matter what it is. Kudos to you for coming out and speaking about it. But today I don't want to talk to you about that. I just want to know that how did this Pamela, you know, shape up to be where you are right now after that episode? Like, how did you buck up and pull up yourself?
It was so I'm a very private person, and I have this huge barrier in front of me, and वो barrier नीचे करने के लिए I have to win your trust. Like I'm a very bad trust and about loyalty, and if I share something with you, it's between me and you. So उधर की बात उधर नहीं, पीठ पीछे बात नहीं. I'm very straight to the point about that. And friendship रखनी है, has to be a loyal friendship. कोई चीज़ मुझे बुरी लगी, I will say it out. Whether I'm angry, I will say it out, and 1 hour later मैं ठीक हूँ. 1 घंटे बाद मैं फिर ठीक हो जाऊँगी. But मुझे I have to say it. I have to express myself. And I think it was this learning kind of things where people get sensitive also, that आप express क्यों कर रही हैं, बात क्यों बोल रही हैं. But if I can't, then I can't be the same. वो I cannot have that same friendship. मैं चीज़ें निकाल देती हूँ बाहर, and ये problem है, and then after that I'm okay. And I think also मेरी जो British banter है, my funny side, it's more to entertain myself generally. But I've just been brought up like that. Like around my friends, my छोटा सा circle जो है दोस्तों का, you know, we are always taking the piss out of each other. In the sense where I will be like, we have sarcasm बहुत ज़्यादा. And I think यहाँ पर मुझे भी understand हुआ that a lot of people don't take sarcasm good, you know, they get sensitive to things, so you have to be very careful, which was a learning curve for me. हर चीज़ जो आप करते हैं journey के अंदर and काम के अंदर, it's a learning curve. So you kind of adapt to things. जो हमारी reality TV show होता है internationally, it's very different. उसमें होता पूरा कलेश, हंगामा, खून खराबा जो भी है. And here it's more like you kind of go by the book. जो अच्छा है वो बुरा है, जो सीधा है उल्टा नहीं होना चाहिए. So it's and then you get judged by that. So these are things I didn't know, and I learned this.
Yeah, amazing. But you know, kudos to you for speaking your truth in front of absolutely an unknown set of people inside, and of course outside the whole world was listening to you. But great job on that.
Thank you.
You know, I have to mention this, that your friendship with Chamola was so spoken of, you know. But while everybody has loved it, there's also been a certain section which Apurva represented, and where she made a very nasty comment when she came out and she said that XYZ things. And when you saw that, how did you take it?
Actually, Apurva to me was very nice to my face. I did feel she was very two-faced. I mean, मुंह के सामने और कुछ कहती है, पीठ के पीछे कुछ. For me, if मैं किसी का मजाक भी उड़ाती थी ना, मैं मुंह के सामने करती थी. It wasn't that I did it पीठ पीछे. like if I took the piss out of Harshad or Shivangi, for example, I would say that तुम लोगों soap opera हो, and I'll do it in his face. But the मेरी पीठ पीछे बात करनी है, मजाक कराना, is very two-faced. I didn't. I just did whatever I did, and मैं सामने कहती थी मैंने ये किया है, और ये मैंने बोला है. So I did find her to be very manipulating, but maybe that was her task. But being two-faced, I didn't think she needed to do that. When she came in, she was like, "You're my favorite. I watched you on Desi Bling. I love you too. You look good together. Your massages, जो भी है, मतलब वो show के अंदर भी है." And I just think that sometimes, you know, it's very difficult. So I'm a girl's girl. I'm a woman's woman where, you know, I put people up. I won't really put them down in that sense. I think with her was she put a lot of people down unnecessarily. वो 5 मिनट आई है, 5 मिनट में how can you know whose friendship is what? Me and Shimola, we had a difference for a very short period where she उसके मतलब कान भर गए थे, and she did feel like, you know, maybe this is a situation, and I felt it. As soon as I felt it, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं था ये हो रहा है मेरे पीठ पीछे, and I confronted her and I cleared everything, and उसके बाद सब ठीक था. But I think we needed that in our friendship to grow stronger also.
Correct.
Yeah,
for sure. True.
And उसके बाद she was fine, and we're still friends.
That's amazing, because you know, I feel even when you know, people were coming and telling you inside, you know, Shimola ye, Shimola wo, and the way you handled it, you did not be sly about it. You turned back and you said, listen, you were looking like a bitch.
Yeah.
You know, this is what people have said.
पीठ पीछे नहीं, मुंह पर बोला.
मुंह पर बोला है, you know. But oh my God, एक चीज जो I'm so glad आपने मुंह पर बोली वो था calling out Harshad and Shivangi, because हम बहुत ज़्यादा irritate हो गए थे उनको देख के, even as viewers, because it definitely felt like there was some sort of ये रिश्ता क्या कहलाता है 2.0 version going inside. What was it for you guys?
Well, see, this is the thing. Again, I take things very lightly in that sense. तो जब मेरा मीटर घूम जाता है, फिर घूम जाता है, फिर I see red, I speak, and as I said to you, मैं बोल देती ये चीज़ां, then बाद which I'm okay after 1 hour. But with them, it was just, I felt like I was in a Star Plus drama, and I was just watching this whole Star Plus scene. And I found it very entertaining and funny, but then after a while I got irritating. But मुंह पर बोला, again, I was just like, guys, you are just like a Star Plus drama, like constantly you guys are shooting. I know cameras were on constantly, but फिर भी it's a reality TV show, which means हम थोड़ा सा realistic तो बने. In that sense, I mean, they didn't. It was annoying, but they were not so impacting so much of my life that I was so bothered about them. I think initially I just started noticing them so much, I think in week 3 or week 4 जब लड़ाई हुई थी शिल्पा जी के साथ. Before that I didn't really notice them that much, to be honest. To be honest.
Fair. आपको राम कपूर के बारे में कैसा लगा? How did you find him as a player?
So Ram ji. Oh dear. Okay, so Ram ji, what I understood about him was initially when he came on the show, and obviously, you know, you spend 24 hours with someone, you see changes in everybody, you know, because obviously pehle to people are perceiving themselves, you know, how they want to be. It's like being in a relationship and everyone's perfect and everything's hunky-dory, then holy you get to see the true colors of someone and their habits and their behavior. And obviously when you're with someone 24/7, 5 हफ्ते बहुत लंबा है 24/7, 1 मिनट दूर नहीं, you know, and सोते कितना थे हम 6 घंटे, you know. So we're together 18 hours a day, and it's a long time looking at people's faces all the time. And I like my me time. So when I saw Ramji, he was a very he started off normal, and then you could see that uski patience level जा रही थी. He was getting snappy, then he was being manipulative, and वो था एक बंदा, maybe that was his strategy, that जब कोई लड़ाई करता है या कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसको he adds fuel to the fire. Okay, और तेल लगाना है आग में,
घी में, आग डालियो, घी में आग डालो, ऐसे कुछ तो बोलते हैं.
So he was doing that, and I'm just like, okay, so even when me and Leila were fighting, जब हमने बात कर ली है and we've sorted it out जो end में है, फिर he started doing his karchi again, and I'm just like, Ramji, is not your monkey, not your circus. आप क्यों involve हो रहे हैं? मैं तो लेला का तो चलता रहता है, हम लड़ाई करते हैं भी मेकअप, हम लड़ाई करते भी मेकअप, because obviously he मेरा करीब है, so I'm going to fight with him.
Yeah.
And he doesn't have any, Leila has nothing in his heart for me, बुरा, and neither do I.
Yeah.
So, ना मेरे बारे में कोई बुरा बोलेगा. But the thing is, Ramji just unnecessarily, I think, I don't know whether it was for content or whether it was, उसकी लड़ाई नहीं है, उसकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, पर घुसना उसने ज़रूर है हर चीज़ में, हर लड़ाई में। opinionated है वो completely, and हर opinion उसने रखनी, but opinion इंसान रखता है वो neutral रखता है,
Correct.
but he just wanted to always put the fuel to the fire all the time. Even that from the last few episodes of me coming out, he literally verbally attacked me and was running around for 2-3 minutes, not 10 seconds, 15, and it was a long time. उसकी लड़ाई नहीं थी, nothing to do with him. एक मिनट पहले I'm telling him well done for your for the task, you did really well.
Yeah. Well, whatever. It's all in the past right now, Pamela. But another thing was when Urfi and Hina came in, and I feel जो वहाँ पे चल रहा था, मुझे ऐसा personally लगा, because मुझे नहीं लगता अगर आप इतनी अच्छी पंजाबी बोल सकते हो तो आप हिंदी बकायदा समझ सकते हो और बोल भी अच्छे से सकते हो. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ? What was that like for you?
So basically, I tell you what happened. That week, okay, हमारी beds नहीं थी, okay, so we were sleeping on the floor. We could not use the bathroom properly, and खाना बिल्कुल नहीं था. So I was at risk that week, the whole time. So and I don't eat rice and wheat. I'm allergic to it. So I was just having a few spoons of dal which they were cooking. ठीक है? I had no salt in my body. I had no sugar in my body, and I was super sick. मेरी energy level from here went to 0. मतलब मैं खत्म थी. At that point, I was like, I just want to go home. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. And when we had to wake up and pull ourselves for the this jury task, मुझे चक्कर आ रहे थे बहुत ज़्यादा. I was super unwell the whole week. We had no energy. Even Layla, he didn't have his chai. He was super down also. Like I've never seen him like that. वो भी बेचारा. Honestly, I was like, मेरी coffee छोड़ दो, उसको दे दो. And I'm a coffee addict. I need my coffee to wake up. He needs his tea. ना कोई चाय, ना कोई कॉफ़ी, खाना बिल्कुल नहीं मिल रहा था. And we were depleted completely. तो I am sitting there and listen. At the end of the day, okay, if आप दुबई में आएंगे, okay, and आपको obviously हिंदी मुझे आती है, मैंने अच्छी तरह लर्न की है, पंजाबी भी लर्न की है, जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ. I've become so good now. मतलब अच्छी आ गई है. But there's one couple of terms which is very Hindi-fied which I don't understand. Okay, so with Hina and Urfi, I just asked them a question. ये word, what's the meaning of this word? And they digged into me. जैसे bloody hell, I was thinking जैसे मैंने उनका बैंक बैलेंस का पिन कोड मांग लिया. I'm just like, chill out. You know what I mean? Like literally, it was like, have I asked for your bank account details or something? Your PIN password?
Yeah.
Chill.
True.
I've asked you a question. Now the same thing. If आपको अरबी नहीं पता और आप अरबी में you ask me what word means. Listen, मैंने सिर्फ सवाल पूछा था. You can just answer nicely. इसमें you don't need to get rude, okay, and show attitude. I've asked just a simple question, and if आप generally we're taught ना, if आपको कुछ पता नहीं है या सवाल है and you don't know the meaning of it, you ask the question. क्या meaning है? प्यार से समझा सकते हो. It's just a word. I don't understand why I'm faking it. What this? Obviously, of course, if I've learned a language and I'm not gonna learn it completely. There are some words that I miss.
Yeah, and you could have been totally cut some slack.
You know what I mean?
Agree.
And सवाल ही पूछा, and if people always say, if you don't understand the question, ask. So if I asked, it was like मैंने कोई crime commit कर दिया है. And at that point in the show, it was also like, ज़्यादा टाइम लाओ आंसर करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, और ज़्यादा जल्दी करो एंड रॉन्ग करो आंसर, फिर भी प्रॉब्लम है. तो यू इज नॉट अ विन विन सिचुएशन है. देयर वाज एन इशू विद एवरीथिंग यू डिड. सांस ले लो, प्रॉब्लम. इट वाज लिटरली लाइक दैट. एंड आई जस्ट थॉट टू माय सेल्फ, ओके, मैंने कोई पर्सनल क्वेश्चन तो नहीं पूछा आपसे, सिर्फ सवाल का, सिर्फ एक वर्ड का पूछा था. वो भी आपने प्रॉब्लम और ड्रामेटिक क्रिएशन कर दी है. That's on you, ladies. If you want to put women down like that, that's up to you. If that makes you feel better inside, go for it.
Another very cute moment in the show was जब अर्जुन कपूर आए थे. And see. I just have to say Arjun Kapoor and that's Pamela. What is this Arjun Kapoor love?
Oh, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? Actually, honestly, he was mentioned on the show, and as I say, Ekta Kapoor, Netflix production, you guys, listen to every minute detail. I was so embarrassed. I'm not going to lie, so I was hiding my face. But honestly, what a sport. Arjun Kapoor, you are a sport, honestly. And the rest, I guess she'll never know.
Yeah, because we don't know. You know, we were like, why is Arjun and Pamela, and Arjun's also being so sweet, and whatever it was, it looked
He's
really
a
cute.
legend. Honestly, my respect for him has gone up so much higher. Honestly.
Wow, it was amazing. You know, I have to say this to you. A lot of my friends, and you know, we frequent Dubai a lot, so we love Dubai. And you know, when we saw you in the show, we like, she has such a fancy life, and you know, सब कुछ इतना मस्त चल रहा है. Doggy भी आपका caviar खा रहा है. Everybody over here has been talking about that as well. But यहाँ आके आप बहुत ही बकवास खाना खा रहे थे. कैसे हुआ ये?
Yeah, so you know what? Honestly speaking, it was so hard for me. I'm not gonna lie, it was so hard. But I don't want to be that girl that's ungrateful. Okay, ये मुझे platform मिला है, and I want to be grateful for that. But the situation, living conditions मेरे लिए बहुत hard थी. And I did struggle a lot. मैंने ज़्यादा screen पर नहीं दिखाया जितना मैं struggle कर रही थी. I'm not used to living this lifestyle at all. But I have to say that इस situation में मतलब इंसान जो है ऊपर हो जाता है, नीचे हो जाता है, ऊपर हो जाता है, नीचे हो जाता है. So इसमें मुझे बहुत अच्छा सबक सीखा है मैंने, that हर चीज़ के लिए you have to be grateful. शुक्राना is so important that now I'm that type of person that I it's got me also down to a humble level for sure. That I think every time जो मुझे चीज़ मिलती भी है, I'm grateful for. जो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जब मैं ज़िंदगी में मैंने नहीं सोचा था मैं grateful होंगी, I'm grateful for that.
Amazing. You know, another fun thing happened was that a lot of people who fell in love with Shalini Pasi in Fabulous Lives, because she was also somebody who amongst a lot of people who were a part of the entertainment industry stood out. उसके बाद you were in a show which had like, oh my god, robust people, Ram Kapoor, Shivangi, सारे बहुत established नाम हैं यहाँ पे, and a cute comparison was made that even you're one of them who stood out, you know, big
that's so
time,
nice.
just like her in a reality show. Have you heard this, or am I the first person telling you
No,
this?
you're the first person telling me, but she did add me on a story. And I was like, oh, this is Kamalika, right? Yeah, so I saw her and I was like, I want to really meet her. I would love to meet her. So if you're watching this, I would love to do something with you, because it's like the new Kamalika and the old versus the old Kamalika. And I did tell that I would love to do something with her. This has been a huge comparison from Desi Bling.
Yeah.
And I think she's fabulous.
Yeah.
And to be compared to someone who's a legend and on this platform, it's honestly, it's amazing for me, and I'm honored.
Yeah.
Honestly honored.
Yeah, Shalini loved you too. I think we were seeing her stories as well, and now she's doing Traitors as well.
No way.
So it's crazy.
I'm rooting for you, Shalini. I hope you win. Honestly, you're amazing.
Wow, how sweet. You know, I think Pamela, for you, a lot of doors have opened right now as
Yes.
well, which I feel कि अब तो reality shows तो हैं ही, हमें पता है कि there's Big Boss, there's Traitors, so much is coming on going forward. Would you consider any of those if those are offered to you in due time? And secondly, before I let you go, I would also love to know कि अगर acting बोला जाए आपको करने के लिए, I think you'll be a very good actress. पंजाबी भी आप बहुत अच्छी बोलते हैं और बॉलीवुड में भी मजा आ जाएगा, तो आप क्या ये दोनों चीजें कंसिडर करेंगे?
I would definitely consider it. Yes, I think captivated reality. अभी थोड़ा सा मुझे pause लेना है, a break, just to get over what happened in lockup. You know, it was traumatizing also, but I would love to do it. I would love to come back to India and work here. I think जितना प्यार मुझे यहाँ से मिला है fans से और audience से, I don't think I've ever received this much. Support system, it's been so great. You know, an outsider coming in, आपने मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरह welcome किया है. I love that, and I would love to do Bollywood. I want to really do an item number. I can't wait. I'm super excited, and I would love to also maybe do something with the Kaleshi Corner.
Ooh, yeah.
So I think that was a big hit. So
Big hit.
I think that would be something that would be on the cards.
For sure. I think आपके कलेशी कॉर्नर के लिए यहाँ से लोग सारे दुबई आएंगे to be a part of that podcast and that show, and we'd love that as well. So please call us, Pamela. We'd love to fly and
will
come
too. Let's
to
see.
Chennai.
Maybe I'll do something here in Bombay itself.
Ooh, you never know. All the more reasons for us to chat up again.
Yes.
You know, आपने दो TV के बहुत celebrity actresses के साथ, celebrated actresses के साथ, you know, you've shared screen space. One of them is Shivangi Joshi, and the other one was Tejasvi Prakash.
Yes.
If I were to ask you pick between the two, who would you pick?
Oh, definitely Teja. Hands down, Tejasvi. I love her.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Are you still in touch?
We are still in touch. touch, yes.
Oh wow, that's
Yes,
amazing.
we just did an interview together also.
Oh my
So we are in
goodness.
touch, yes.
That's
yes.
amazing.
Actually, I was expecting my guest to come.
Yeah.
I thought because they're from Bombay itself, based in Bombay, either Karan Kundra will come or Tejasvi will come.
Yeah.
So Layli was super unexpected. I had zero idea that she came, but I'm grateful she came.
Yeah. And Lily also, I think, वो बहुत ज़्यादा honest थे. When she came and spoke to you,
Yeah.
she was also very
And
transparent.
imagine the cutest thing she did. Because obviously she didn't know my reaction, how I would be, but she bought caviar for me. But the jailers ne leke nahi diya. They said, lock up said, nahi, you can't take it in. She bought caviar for me. Isn't that the cutest thing ever?
Oh my God, that's so cute. I think वो सारे jailers खुद खा गए हैं अपने
नहीं, I think if I know Lily, खुद खा गई होगी. She's like, I'm not wasting it. Pam नहीं खा रही तो मैं खा रही
ये
हूँ.
दुबई से आए हैं ये सिर्फ पैम के लिए थे.
Yeah.
But you know, I think Farah and Ritesh also were very happy to interact with you. I feel they were always having fun, and when you actually broke down also, you know, there was a very cute warm hug that you and Ritesh shared, and वो energy दिख रही थी that people really felt about your story. What was it like? Are you missing both of them, and are you
You know
still in
what?
touch with them?
Hands down, I have to say, Farah ji is the most funniest person. So as I said, British banter मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and I just love these one-liners. You know what I mean? And you know, Leila used to do these one-liners, but Farah ji, she has that British banter, okay,
Yeah.
which I relate to. And कभी-कभी ना वो बोल देती थी चीजें, and she'll say these one-liners, and I'll be the only one laughing. I'm like, oh my God, you're so funny, and she's like, yes, Pamela, British banter. Ritesh ji and Farah ji, honestly, like hands up, they worked so hard. They made Lock Up. They made it 100%. Production, Ekta Kapoor, Netflix, they made this whole show. They made it at a wow, global, international wow factor.
Yeah.
And yeah, I do miss them too.
Oh, wow.
They had their own charm and their wit about them, for
Yeah.
sure. The jailers.
But overall, Pamela, I have to say what a great show it was, and it was a
Thank you.
delight to watch you on the show. I'm really hoping that we get to see a lot more of you, and lots of love and lots of
Thank
positive energy coming your way.
you.
Keep slaying.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What's the new generation? What do they say? Clock it?
Clock it! Yeah!
I got this from Sufi. Clock it.
Clock it! Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. This is me, Hesha, signing off.